Derek and Dr. Santi, would you like to comment? Or actually, we'll go to them and then we'll go to Stephen. So the moment where your diaspora lens really kicked in, that you really felt that you saw something really unique through that lens.
Well, after many years of working as a pediatrician in northern British Columbia and the Yukon, I became interested in problem of fetal alcohol syndrome, and I went to South Africa to do some research. But I always wanted to do something also in Ghana, where I was born. So I was very interested and quickly signed on when I was approached after the formation of the Korle Bu Neuroscience Project through Marjorie and through Dr. Durity and the nurses in VGH who had come together to form Korle Bu Neuroscience with a view to helping Ghana. I agreed and decided that yes, it was important to be invited and to be a participant in helping the neurological and neuroscience development of Ghana, because I was aware of the many people who were dying because of the lack of service for motor vehicle accidents, brain tumors, and many children who were dying because of lack of services which we took for granted here. I've been interested especially in the area of teaching or education for the nurses, for the physicians, and for the many people who are going to be associated with a neuroscience project. We've been glad to have the help of many people in British Columbia, neuroscientists, neuroradiologists, and other people who have been willing to go to Ghana and have been to Ghana to help in this respect. So it's been a worthwhile project and association. I'm not directly in neurosurgery or the neurosciences, but I've been very glad to help in many ways to bring the necessities of good health to Ghana. Thank you.